Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 24th of February. And first of all, national news. Environment Ministry seek a report on Kaziranga rhino estimation. Above normal temperatures in store for Northwest, Central, East India for 5 days, IMD. Recruitment of AGNIVEERS only going online, no change in exam syllabus, top army official said. India's image today is that of country ready to go to any extent to protect its national security. EAM Jaishankar. Seeking investments, PM Modi said India's potential in green energy no less than a gold mine. PM Modi to address 12 webinars for effective implementation of union budget initiatives. President Murmu to inaugurate 7th Dharma Dhamma conference in Bhopal. I2U2 discussed building series of integrated agricultural facilities in India. PM Modi taking stock of situation, India on earthquake in Tajikistan. AIIMS to collaborate with IITs and IIMs to hold open house on research initiatives. Ahead of G20 meet, Finance Minister met counterparts, discussed crypto regulation. 99 percentile NEET scorer in legal trouble over dual residency law. India, Sri Lanka to increase complexity of bilateral exercises. Ministry. And now some international news. Will continue to impose sanctions on Russia, US Treasury Secretary. G20 presidency opportunity for world to see India's diversity. S. Jaishankar. Google tests blocking news content for some Canadians over new law. Asia to drive growth of global economy in 2023, S&P. Ukraine imposed 50-year sanctions on Russian financial sector. Airbus close to lending large order from Indigo, a report said. Ex-MasterCard CEO Ajay Banga nominated by US President to lead World Bank. Now sports news. AIDEN MARKRAM will lead Sunrisers Hyderabad in the IPL 2023 season. She needs to play like Virendra Sehwag in semi-final against Australia, Shefali Verma's father. Rahul had a dismal show in the first two tests against Australia. India versus Australia, Michelle Marsh to play only as batter in ODI series. News related to business. Markets declined for fifth day, Sensex Nifty down on Fed hike fears. ONGC to invest $2 billion to drill record 103 wells in Mumbai offshore. Not sufficient emphasis on jobs in budget 2023-24, ex-RBI Governor D. Subbarao. Law Tribunal admitted insolvency proceedings against G Entertainment. India like quality market research firms N.R. Narayana Murthy. NSE got SEBI approval to launch social stock exchange. Exports may see tepid growth in 2023, Ministry of Finance. Nirmala Sitharaman, US Treasury Secretary, met ahead of Bengaluru G20 meet. Asia to drive growth of global economy in 2023, S&P. And now news from science and technology. Galaxies spotted by Webb Space Telescope rewrite prior understanding of universe. Roscosmos and SpaceX cruise ships near launch as International Space Station prepares. Scientists warn amplifying feedback loops make climate action even more urgent. And that's all in news. Thank you.